Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you how to write the decimals for the fractions with denominators 10, 100 and 1000. So this is very easy method. So as we know, we get the decimals in the fractions when the numerator and denominator will not get complete divided by the single number. That time we have to do the actual division. So numerator will not get complete divided by denominators. So we'll get the fractional part or the decimal part. But when we have the denominator as 10, 100, 1000, no need to do the actual division. So let us start with one example. So let us take the example 15 upon 10. So directly you can write it 1.5. How? Because when we have here in the denominator has 10, 100, 1000, etc. Like the zeros over the 1, that time don't do the actual division. First write the numerator, and how many zeros are there over 1? Only 1. So from the right side, that is from the unit place of this, from the right side. So here after one digit put the point. But you want to confirm, you can confirm this. So I am telling you the verification here. You can verify 15 divide with 10. 10 ones are 10. So 5 remains. So we want to convert into decimals. So we can take the decimal point. So we don't have digits. So we'll write here 0. For that we'll write here point. 10 5s are 50. So instead of doing these all things, whenever you have here 10, 100, 1000, just follow this method. How many zeros are there? That much, after that much digit you have to put the point. So now let me take the second example. Here let us take 125 divided with 100. So write this 125 as it is, numerator, and how many zeros are there over 1? 2 zeros. So from this, after 2 digits put the point. From the right to left you have to go. 1, 2. So this is the decimal form of 125 upon 100. So let us take one more example here. Any example you can take. 487 upon 10,000 I'll show you. So this is quite different. So 487 write as it is. So how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. But here we have only 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. One more digit we need here, isn't it? So that digit can be the 0. And here you can put any number of zeros, because value will be 487 only. But here you should not put 0, remember. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit, we have increased the digit by 0. But for the convenience, we'll write here 0. So 0.0487. This answer will get if we divide 487 by 10,000. Now here I'll take the example where we have the already in the numerator we have the decimal. So let us take 78.56. This you are dividing with 100. So what you have to do? 7856. And consider the point, already point it is there between 8 and 5. Here after 6 and 5 we have the point. That point just we have to shift, because 2 zeros are there here. So 1, 2. So here we have to shift, correct? It was here 1, 2 because 2 zeros are there. So here we have to put the point, and for convenient we'll write here 0. So when you divide 78.56 by 100, actual division, you will get this answer. So like this you can take many examples. So let us take 0.0008. This is the decimal we are dividing with the 10, or this is called as a decimal fractions you can say. So here write this or whatever numbers are there in the numerator as it is without decimal point, because that we have to shift now. So already it is here. So we have 1 0. So shift this after the 1 digit. So that is 0. So it will come here 1, 2, 3, 4. It will cross the 4 zeros and it will come here, and here you can give. So now 1, 7, 8, 9, 7. Here I have the point, and here I am dividing this with, let us take 100. So 178, whatever number you are getting in the numerator, write as it is without point. Now we have to shift this point. So 2 zeros are there, 1, 2. So remember, when you are shifting the point, so you have to go from right to left side. Remember, 1s, 10s, 100 like that you can remember. Always we start with unit place or ones place or from the right side. So 1, 2. So the decimal point will come here. So it means what? When you divide this 178.97 with 100, you will get this answer. So this is for writing the decimals for the fraction with denominators 10, 100 and 1000. For this kind of questions, no need to do the actual division. Directly you can write the decimals or the answer.